Oh no, it's Ivanhoe. It's not. It's Ivanhoe. Okay, I don't know Ivanhoe. It's also population one. Okay, let's go. Let's check it out. Ivanhoe. It's an ocean game, okay? Graphics are cool. I think that's always half of the rent if the graphics are good. Okay. You must deliver King Richard. What? Am I his mom? Okay, so this game is all about You wanna come closer, bro? This took a turn after the neat title screen. Yeah, it did. Yeah, but what am I supposed to do now? Maybe. Oh, I see. Okay, but burning shield now. Whatever it does, it does. What? A wizard! What? Okay. I just want to fight. I don't want to stay here and block you guys. The controls are hideous. That I can tell you guys. Oh yeah, that doesn't work. Jumping is pressing fire and up at the same time, and you see you get Kara movement. Oh, okay. That's a nice special, thank you. I guess, okay. Sword. What does the sword do, though? Oh. Oh. That's what's important. What a hideous game. You move crazy fast. This game does everything in a weird way. Like... Oh, but we get to get alive. That's gonna make it easier. Okay, we get the mirroring thing again. Bonus. Win a bonus life. Oh, great. I'm gonna give him some screen real estate. I'm gonna be nice here. Oh, hey. Oh, okay. This game is scuffed. But let's get that score. Oh, this is pretty much the beginning, I guess, then. Okay, whatever it is, we take it. That's the important one. Can I go down there? No. The problem is here, I cannot, okay. Oh my god, the controls are scuffed. Where are you going? Of course, we're gonna fight again now, some weird guy. Yeah, maybe. Hey, move, Ivanhoe. Why is he just mashing, by the way? That is beyond me. And here people say Ocean only made great games. I was one of them. Blame me. Ivanhoe was defeated. Oh, I missed that, Cake. Sorry. Hey, take care, Cake. Enjoy the rest of your course. Okay. Oh, a bit too soon. Sorry, Ivanhoe. Sorry, Ivan Horse. What? Oh, okay. Get out of here. Look at this guy spamming me. Why is he avoiding every shot now? Not what you agreed upon. Okay, now we got a lance for whatever reason. Okay. Okay, these are to jump. Aren't they? What am I missing here? Why is this one not working? Do I have to duck them? I guess I have to duck him then. Yeah, I have to duck him. Ah! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. Okay. Ooh, Ivanhoe, we getting those points. Fuck. What's good points, though? Ah, come on. What are you supposed to do with those that are on head height? Am I to just duck him? Okay, we got a crossbow again. Why is this level so long? Questions over questions here. We're about to fight another knight, I'm telling you guys. What? Oh, no, it was an X. What? Oh, why is the game having unrealistic expectations of my reactions? I have to dodge axes and shoot bombs. I don't want this. I think no one wants to be Sir Ivanhoe. Of course, we got a snake charmer now. Ha! Sorry, Snake Charmer. Time for some targets now. Ah! Okay. Ah, of course, now we have to fight again against those. Oh, okay. Now it's an alien. That's fine. See, the moment he has no sword, he can spam 24/7. Easy. Give me that extra life. The OG high score, by the way, was 8,700. We're in the 100,000s already, I think. Maybe we'll make a playthrough of this one. I don't know yet. But by the amount of points you get, I would think so. What? Diamond? Pizza? Oh. Okay, we got many more extra Ivanhoes. My friend. You're about to find out. There we go. You have to beat the game now, the score doesn't count. Why am I doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why is anyone doing this to anyone? Why did Ocean decide to release this? What was the prospect of this? Hey boys, I bet they can release a game that's so hideous and people will still play it. Like, never. Like, okay, we're gonna call it Ivanhoe. It's a medieval themed thing. People like it. And you'll see. Like, alright. That bad is on. You have to wait till they attack. They're shielding everything. Are they getting head pain because of this game? More like Ivanhoe. Admit you love this and be happy. I am everything. But I'm not gonna give the game credit for my happiness. I am the reason for my own happiness. Of course, now we got fucking Bud Spencer here with his mega gauntlet. Brute force. Okay. Yeah, of course. Is it now a beast with a sword? That would be awesome. No, it's just the same. Same old, same old. We can just zone it. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna give him some space so you guys can see me beat him. But he's a bit of a wuss. Goodbye, give me that life. Ivanhoe needs it. Am I now in the castle? Am I now in the castle? No, first is the woods. Oh, that's a pretty long path there, buddy. Okay. Oh, it's still going. Oh, we're at the castle. I guess this is the last step and then we finish the game? I hope. Okay, I can select where to go. That's kind of cool. Ivanhoe. It's Ivanhoe indeed right now. Okay. Everything's happening in this map, so... Oh. We get nothing out of this, huh? But all the way back now? Great. Ivan, nope. Cause Ivan ain't dope. Oh, you back? I don't think so. Hey, is it all just changing up again now? Seems like it, right? Nah, not really. Or I don't know. The game is confused by itself already, I think. But our time is running low, so that's a thing. Okay, where... we didn't go here to the right, I think. Oh, we can go up. I think up looks good. Or it doesn't, I don't know. Maybe continue forward. Go through here. Ah, aha. What? I want to go up there. Why can't I? Oh, no, no, no. Can I, please? Oh, okay. This is such weird control. What? Hey. I haven't cope. I'm coping when I'm playing this game. But my time is running low. Maybe I'm losing a life right now. Can you please? Thank you. My time is out, so I don't know if we're dying or if this means we get no bonus if it comes down to it. It's okay. What? Game over? But we still get lives! You know what? I don't care. 163k. 770. It's okay. 163,770. 163,770.